Good morning children, this is Hemlata. Welcome to class 6 IIT physics class. So children, we are discussing the chapter kinematics. Now today we are going to discuss concept 5. Okay, so we were discussing the equations of motion. In that 2 equations of motion we already completed, is it? So velocity time relation and displacement time relation. Now going to the third equation of motion. Before that, today we will discuss about the acceleration due to gravity. The concept 5 covers acceleration due to gravity, equations of motion under G and numericals based on G. Okay, so this all topics is covered in concept 5. So in today's class we will discuss the first 2, acceleration due to gravity and gravity. Okay children, so let's start today's class. First, we must know what is gravity. The force with which the earth pulls the objects towards it is called the gravitational force of earth or gravity of earth. You can see children, this is a ball. Whenever you will throw a ball upwards, after that ball comes down. What is the reason? When you throw a ball upwards, it must go up and up and up only, but afterwards it comes down only. The reason is what? It means there is some force which attracts ball towards down, towards the surface. What is that force? That is gravity, gravitational force of earth. Children, our earth behaves like a magnet. Whenever anything you will throw from earth, away from earth, it comes down. The reason is earth attracts everything towards itself. Not only earth, like earth, other heavenly bodies, even sun and moon also attract everything towards itself. So all these are having their gravity, gravitational force, surface gravity. Clear children? So what is gravity? It is a force with which any heavenly bodies pulls the things towards themselves. So here gravity of earth means the force with which earth attracts or pulls a body towards itself. Now the surface gravity of some of the heavenly bodies we will see now. Clear children? You can see first is sun. The surface gravity of sun is 274 meter per second square, highest. Then Jupiter, 24.92 meter per second square. Neptune, 11.15 meter per second square. Like that, Earth, 9.798 meter per second square. In round figure we are saying 9.8 meter per second square. Moon, 1.62 meter per second square, and Pluto, 0.58 meter per second square. Now children, you see the surface gravity of sun and surface gravity of Pluto. You see sun, the surface gravity of sun is highest, 274 meter per second square compared to other heavenly bodies. Can you tell me the reason why? Think it. Yes, The reason is because of mass. The mass of sun is highest. Sun is biggest. Is it? That's why its gravity also more. You see children, a natural magnet and artificial magnet, which is having more power of attracting a magnetic material? Of course, an artificial magnet. Is it? The reason is natural magnet is not having more magnetic power like artificial magnets. So just like that, here also the surface gravity depend upon the mass, which is having more mass, that is having more surface gravity. Of course, Pluto is the smallest heavenly body, having least mass. That's why its surface gravity is also less. Compared to Earth and Moon, the surface gravity of Moon is 1/6 of surface gravity of Earth. The reason the mass of Moon is also less compared to the mass of Earth. So I think children, you all understood what is gravity. Okay, so what is gravity? It is a force with which a heavenly bodies attract anything towards itself. Now children, we will discuss about acceleration due to gravity. So what is acceleration due to gravity? Acceleration, we already know about acceleration. What is acceleration? Rate of change of velocity with time is called acceleration. We know that when a body is moving, it can't continue its velocity all over the journey constant. Is it? It can continue its velocity for some time constant, but afterwards it has to change. Its velocity may be increase or decrease. Is it? So what is acceleration? Rate of change of velocity. How the velocity changes with time, that is called acceleration. So whenever a body when falls freely downwards, okay, its velocity is continuously increasing. Okay, so it accelerates, and the reason of acceleration is gravity, because whenever a body falls freely downwards, due to gravitational force of Earth, it accelerates, its velocity continuously increasing with time. So the uniform acceleration is there, but which type of acceleration is there? Uniform acceleration. So the uniform acceleration produced in a freely falling body due to gravitational pull of the Earth is known as acceleration due to gravity. Whenever a body, take any body, okay, leave it, it falls freely downwards, its velocity continuously increasing and it accelerates. And how it accelerates? Uniformly accelerates. That uniform acceleration is produced for why? Because of gravitational pull of Earth. That's why that is known as acceleration due to gravity. Now, how it is denoted? Acceleration due to gravity is denoted by small g. Clear? Acceleration due to gravity is denoted by small g. And the value of small g, that is acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the Earth, is 9.8 meter per second square in SI system. In SI system it is 9.8 meter per second square, whereas in CGS system it is 980 centimeter per second square. Okay children, must remember, very important. In SI system it is 9.8 meter per second square, whereas in CGS system it is 980 centimeter per second square. Now it is which type of quantity? What is its nature? So acceleration due to gravity is a vector quantity. Okay, vector quantity. It is having magnitude, unit and direction. What is its direction? Its direction is towards down. Okay, vertically downwards. Next, units. The SI unit of G, acceleration due to gravity, is meter per second square. SI unit is meter per second square and CGS unit is centimeter per second square. Clear? Now acceleration due to gravity, that is G, is which type of quantity? It's a variable quantity. Variable quantity means it varies, changes. Okay, it is not constant always, it changes. And how it changes? The value of G is affected by, there are some reasons. First reason is altitude above the earth's surface. Whenever a body is going up away from earth's surface, acceleration due to gravity G changes. Second is depth below the earth's surface. If a body is going down depth under the earth like mines, okay, then also G changes. Acceleration due to gravity changes. Third is shape of the earth's surface. According to shape of the earth's surface also acceleration due to gravity changes. Fourth point is rotational motion of earth. So these are the four reasons that affects the value of G. Means G, that is acceleration due to gravity, is not a constant quantity. It's a variable quantity. And these are the reasons which affects the acceleration due to gravity. It is maximum at poles of earth and minimum at equator. Okay children, so today what we discussed? We discussed today acceleration due to gravity and gravity, concept 5, kinematics. Okay, in the coming class we will discuss about equation of motion under G and numericals based on G. So once again I want to tell you children, when the video is playing, you pause the video and write the notes. Okay, you must pause the video and write the notes, and after writing only you continue the video. You must maintain the notes neatly. All the notes you have to write neatly. Okay, complete your worksheet and read the reading content 2 to 3 times. Video also you have to watch minimum 2 to 3 times till end. Then only you can understand the class. Okay children, I hope you are doing well and utilizing your time wisely. This is for today. Thanks for watching.